Hey guys, welcome to the Hack the Honey-Do List channel. Today, I am talking about the infamous sinking office chair problem. Stay tuned, as I tell you some reasons why you should fix this issue yourself. Stay to the end. I will tell you where you can go to learn how to fix this problem yourself, and it will take you less than 20 minutes to do it once you learn how. So, more often than not, a sinking office or gaming chair is due to a faulty hydraulic piston. But don't worry, this problem isn't as daunting as it may seem, and it can actually be a great opportunity for DIY repair or even a potential side business in 2023 and beyond. Let's start with the whys. Repairing that sinking office or gaming chair yourself is cost-effective. It's no secret that high-quality office and gaming chairs can cost quite a bit hard-earned cash. But a replacement hydraulic piston can come in at under $25, and it's not just about the savings. There's also the satisfaction that comes with finishing a DIY project and bringing a piece of furniture back to life. It's a rewarding experience to sit in a once aggravating sinking chair that you've repaired with your very own hands and saved a ton of cash doing it. Another big reason for a DIY chair repair is environmental responsibility. By fixing what you already have, you help reduce waste and promote sustainability. While saving money and helping the environment are great incentives, there's another exciting thing to consider. Repairing a sinking chair can be your first step into the seldom tapped world of furniture flipping. While it's not my primary focus, it's definitely worth mentioning as a profitable side hustle for those of you looking for such a thing. Think about it. Gaming and office chairs are expensive. People sell them very cheap or even give them away just because they won't stay up at the height they set them at. Yes, very frustrating, but a very simple DIY task to repair. A free to almost free chair that sinks, an under $25 part, and 15 to 20 minutes of your time can equal a huge profit. Just an idea. But whether you're fixing for personal use or considering a potential furniture flip business, the first step is learning how to replace that piston in your sinking chair. And I've recorded a video showing you how to do it. Go here to watch this video where I show you the repair process. This isn't just theory. It's a chair that I fixed a few months ago, and I'm sitting in right now as I write this script. Look down below in the description for the link to the exact repair piston that I used. Thanks for tuning in today, guys, and please, if you find any value at all in this or the next video, hit one of the buttons below.